Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open menu, then click on calendar and pick a date. When you're done, tap at the bottom right corner on the plus icon, and over here you can add a title, change color, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, go back and basically customize your event however you want to, by adding location, taking notes and inviting people from your contact book. When you're done, click save at the bottom right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully made and saved. If you want to delete it, tap on it, click on it again and choose delete at the bottom right corner. Then click delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!